Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to study for biology IB. Start by planning weekly goals and blocking short, focused study sessions. Use active recall and spaced repetition to move information into long-term memory. Practice past paper questions and mark schemes to build exam technique. Review diagrams, label structures, and explain concepts aloud to a study partner or mirror for deeper understanding and confidence. Begin with the IB syllabus and map each topic to study sessions and revision weeks. Pick one core textbook and one concise note set to avoid overload and maintain clarity. Watch short, reliable videos to reinforce complex ideas and pause to take notes. Use past papers and examiner reports to learn what examiners expect and practice exam-style answers under timed conditions for steady improvement. Use active techniques like self-testing, teaching, and concept mapping to build durable knowledge. Create targeted flashcards and review them with spaced repetition to close forgetting gaps. Teach a topic aloud in plain language to check your grasp and highlight weak spots you need to revisit. Regularly draw and label key diagrams until you can recreate them without prompts, reinforcing both visual memory and conceptual links for exam readiness.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.